To stop sharing the file you've shared with Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap Setting icon. Tap Connected Devices. Tap Quick Share. Under Sharing with Contact section, tap Link Sharing History. Tap the required file. Now tap Stop Sharing icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A pop-up appears to inform you that this action will remove the selected file and it will no longer be possible to access the file using the link. If you like to continue the process, tap Stop Sharing. Tap the back key. As you can see, the selected file is still on the list until it's deleted either manually or automatically, but it's now grayed out, which means the link of this file can no longer be used to access this file. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.